In this video, we will try to understand what is the existence trying to teach us through COVID-19 pandemic. I am Mukti. I am an intuitive tarot reader. I have been meditating for more than 15 years and my spiritual guide esoterically transferred this gift of tarot to me. Tarot is a system for raising consciousness, a tool for generating answers to life questions, a trigger to intuition and creativity, and aid to meditation. Tarot has major arcana cards based on the element of Akasha, which tells the complete story of the human spiritual journey. The major arcana cards are about the spiritual influences, life lessons, and karmic energy in our lives. View it as a sign of something larger taking place in your life. And minor arcana cards based on the elements of air, representing the mind, fire, representing the realm of action and response, water, representing the emotional side of life, and earth, representing the practical material side of life. This reading is about the individual and collective consciousness. For clarity, I have used this specific tarot spread. It will help us in understanding the present, the challenge, the past, the future, old patterns the old way, new patterns moving into the new, your feelings and attitudes about the issue, what you are attracting from the outside, your desires and denials, and finally the outcome. As each card unfolds, you will get a sense of the bigger picture. Let's begin this reading with understanding the first card. It represents the present, the heart of the matter. The card reveals the present situation and what is happening. And the card is Silence from Major Arcana. The face in the sky is deep in meditation, a goddess of the night who brings depth, peace, and understanding. The silence. Understand the significance of it because it is the same silence that Gautam Buddha experienced. The taste of the silence is the same. Time changes, the world goes on changing, but the experience of the silence, the joy of it, remains the same. That is the only thing you can rely upon. The only thing that never dies. It is the only thing that you can call your very being. It is a card of high spiritual energy, being in touch with something larger than yourself. Call it universe, God, or force. But here, the card indicates refusal to acknowledge one's destiny or true nature. It suggests that your spiritual mission is distorted. Instead of being filled with positive possibilities, you find yourself dwelling on negative issues. The card indicates that you are feeling disengaged and uninspired with life. Perhaps you started out with great vision and enthusiasm, but you find life a chore now. This card is particularly relevant when you are feeling that you are no longer connected and need to make a significant change to your life. It may reflect a loss of faith, resulting in you waiting for a sign or a calling to proceed further. It's more about a test of faith, that it is an indication of a negative outcome. Sometimes you need to go through an incredibly trying time in order to come to a point of personal transformation and awakening. This is a test of your faith and you will no doubt come out of this a stronger person. A time of necessary healing and reorientation, both in life direction as well as in values held. The concept of individuation to find your authentic self, separate from family and societal roles. When a person finds a unique personal voice and talent or point of view, makes an authentic contribution to life. Now is a very precious time. It will be easy for you to rest inside, to plumb the depths of your own inner silence to the point where it meets the silence of the universe. There's nothing to do, nowhere to go, and the quality of your inner silence permeates everything you do. It might make some people uncomfortable, accustomed as they are to all the noise and activity of the world. Never mind. Seek out those who can resonate with your silence or enjoy your aloneness. Now is the time to come home to yourself. The understanding and insights that come to you in these moments will be manifested.